for next 24 hours.
We are not leaving this hotel.
No cafes,
No sightseeing.
no stepping outside. Just 24 hours inside Radisson Blu Towers, Kaushambi, Delhi NCR. Let's go. You know what's funny? We spend so much time planning a perfect vacation, yaar. Itineraries, road trips, flights, whatnot.
But you know, sometimes all you really need is 24 hours to completely switch off.
No alarms, no traffic, no rushing from one place to another.
Just good food,
A beautiful room.
a little bit of luxury, and absolutely nowhere to be.
Which got us thinking, can a hotel give us everything that we need for a perfect escape?
Well, there's only one way to find that out.
During our check-in, the first thing that stood out was how spacious and welcoming the property felt. One of the biggest advantages is its location. Akshardham Temple is just about 10-15 minutes away, while places like India Gate, Red Fort and CP are easily accessible by cab or via the nearby Kaushambi metro station.
So technically, we could have explored all of Delhi today.
But Shrutika, that's not the plan.
Yeah, because for next 24 hours,
We are staying right here. Oh wow!
it's one of their suites and it's pretty huge.
The couch is so comfy.
And they even have a pantry area.
They have a total of 181 rooms, including 129 superior rooms, 4 deluxe rooms with bathtubs, 2 accessible rooms, 45 suites and 1 executive suite. Beyond the rooms, the hotel offers plenty of experience under one roof. They have 3 banquets, Utsav Hall, Adhyay Hall and Parinay Hall, along with 3 dedicated meeting rooms, making it an ideal location for weddings, conferences and private events.
But you know what's the best part?
एक मछली पानी में गई।
So I hope now you know what is dip and dive. Welcome back.
Back to be with you. How is it?
Ma'am, this is chicken tikka, fish finger, dahi kebab, dim sum. This is mine.
And also, I really like the presentation. I mean,
Oh, it's a dolphin.
it's a dolphin.
It is a dolphin. See?
This experience is available from 7 am to 8 pm and starts at just Rs 1499 per person. Honestly, for a poolside dining experience, it's a pretty great deal. Right next to the swimming pool area, they have a gym. You can even get memberships for the fitness center as well. So we headed to Rooftop The View. It's an all-day dining restaurant that offers an extensive buffet spread featuring multi-cuisine.
Wow. This is exactly why I love buffet dining.
I mean, of course, you don't have to choose just one cuisine to have on your plate.
Oh, I want to try everything.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Let's go.
Yeah. So, right here we have so many multi-cuisines. So, Jaya, tell me, what do you want to have first?
Should we start with Raj Kachori? How is it? Nice? Is it like chatpata?
Full of flavors.
Okay. ये तो मैं एक ही बाइट में खा लूंगी.
Yeah, me too.
So that's paneer tikka.
Yeah. Oh my god, this looks so yum. I think yours will like taste much better than mine. Thank you so much. Cheers.
For breakfast, we had cornflakes with milk, orange juice, fruits, idli dosa sambar, and omelette with mushrooms.
So where are we heading after this?
So Shrutika, the hotel regularly hosts food pop-ups every weekend. So today, guess what? We are experiencing chaat.
I love chaat. फिर से खाना. Oh my god.
So from 5th, we started up our chaat gali menu. While preparing the menu, we tried to take different charts that are highlights of the different states of India. Like from Banaras, we take Tamatar ki chaat. We took some Khajur Papdi chaat from the other regions. We took few Gujarat items and something from southern part of India also. I hope you'll enjoy your meal.
So we are at the chart counter and हम सबसे पहले गोलगप्पों से शुरुआत करने वाले हैं. So which one are you having first? सूजी वाला. सूजी वाला. So सूजी वाला करते हैं.
They have a healthy option as well. Ragi wala. I'll try the ragi wala.
So mine is palak pita chaat.
I have the bhalla papri chaat.
So let's have this. दोनों similar ही लग रहा है वैसे देखने में.
बस बेस अलग है ना.
It's very crunchy and very nice, full of flavors.
जैसे स्ट्रीट में मिलते हैं वैसे टेस्ट.
और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में? I mean तुम्हें अच्छा खासा जो स्ट्रीट फूड होता है, if you love street food तो तुम्हें रेस्टोरेंट में ही मिल रहा है. And full of like hygiene, मतलब hygiene की टेंशन ही नहीं है.
And there's live music also.
If you're planning a ladies get together, they also host skitty party experiences from 12:30 pm to 3:30 pm. The experience starts at rupees 999 per person with a minimum group size of 10 ladies and is available on all days except Sundays.
If this is how the challenge ends, we are definitely not completing.
So did we complete our 24 hours in this hotel?
I think we forgot we were supposed to leave.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh God, I don't feel like leaving. Let's go.
From comfortable stays and dining experiences to poolside relaxation, weekend food pop-ups and event spaces, Radisson Blu Towers Kaushambi offers much more than just a hotel stay. You can also enhance your stay with Radisson Rewards, the brand's global loyalty program offering exclusive member rates, reward points on stays and dining, priority services, and access to exciting travel benefits. For more details, you can reach out to the hotel directly.
So would you spend 24 hours in this hotel? Tell us in the comments. Also, for more such content, do subscribe to Times Foodie. Let's go.